Hey, welcome to Amber in the Kitchen. I was not planning on making a video right now, but I tried this new gluten-free waffle recipe, which I will link below in the description. But look how deliciously fluffy this is, you guys. And in the waffle here, so far, okay, I did a smaller one here, but the first two like splooshed out over, and it's so soft, like it's super soft, but it's cooked inside, and it's really interesting. So if you're into what is it, keto, this is with coconut flour. And the only tweak I did to the recipe was I added a tablespoon of xanthan gum to help with like moisture, because I think usually coconut flour is a little dry. So that was a tip I've learned from other recipes, is xanthan gum, adding a little bit of that. So I know it's really noisy and it's not an ideal time for a video, but I just wanted to show you guys, and I'll put the recipe out there and link it for you guys. All right, hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Hope this was helpful. I don't know, but it's really delicious and you've got to try it. All right, bye.